Well, this week Joan and I are in central Kentucky. We're right outside of Cave City, Kentucky. This is going to be close to Mammoth Caves. This is a bucket list item, and we're getting ready to go down to the Bowling Green, which is just a few miles away, and we're going to go to the Corvette Museum, another bucket list item. Really excited about both of those. I will have at the end a list where you can see some of these sites after we look, but right now I'd like to talk about the campground we're at. This is Country RV Campground. We did some research before we came up here. We're just a couple minutes off of I-65. This is a great campground. Love the host here. I'll take you on a really quick tour. I think you're going to really like what you're going to see here. Absolutely perfect spot. There's other campgrounds in the area, but this is absolutely a perfect spot if you're wanting to bring the family up and run over to Mammoth Caves. What a great spot. So let's turn the camera around and I'll show you the entrance. One of the things that I always look forward, you know, we're 56 feet long pulling the fifth wheel with the ton truck, and I want really easy access as I come into a specific area. Sorry about that. And this campsite is 100% big rig friendly. Seeing a lot of snowbirds. This is early March. I'm seeing a lot of the snowbirds come in as they're heading back home with their big Class A's and 45-foot fifth wheels and ton trucks. Is absolutely no problem. I'll show you ours as well. And then let's walk up here. And here you'll see a big expansive area, which is, again, super simple to navigate, easy to gain access into. And there's the office right there. I'll share this as well. I've met the owners. This is a privately owned campground, and they're just absolutely super nice. Live on site, just great people. So let's look at some of the sites around here. I think you'll like it. So it's off season, and always a good sign when you come into an area that's off season is to see, you know, if there's anybody staying here. That's always something that's a flag. If it's empty, then that normally, you know, raises an issue. But again, you can look here. There's a big Momentum fifth wheel over there, about a 45-footer, I would say, with the ton truck. You can see that fits with no problem whatsoever. And again, 100%. Look at this. Every one is 100% pull through. And we've had a little bit of rain while we were here. You'll notice no puddles. Everything is graveled. Every site has a fire pit, a brand new picnic table, looks brand new. And then the sites are full hookup. As a matter of fact, they just installed new cable here, 40 channels of cable, and the signal quality is absolutely spectacular. And you get you know, all the popular channels and the locals as well, and that's included in your fee here. 50 amp, 30 amp, 20 amp water. All sites are have sewer. Super nice, huh? And then I would imagine that in the spring and the summer, we've got some nice trees around here that you'll you know, you get a little bit of shade, not much. But again, you're coming here for Cave City and some of the other things around as well. But look, there's another big rig. Super nice. I'm going to also spin around. This is one side of the park, and there's the other half. They also have a men's and women's showers and bath. We don't need that. So I'll go down here and I'll show you where we're at. Again, super nice, super nice campground. So this is mine and Joan's spot. You'll see here, again, you'll notice if it was summer, early spring, late fall, we'd have some shade. And but it's perfect, isn't it? Look at that. We've got the big ton truck that's sitting there. No problem pulling it in with a little bit of space to spare. There's the big boy, all 40 feet of it. And again, you can see we've got brand new picnic tables and a fire pit, neither one of which we're going to be using. It's just a little too chilly. And we've kind of got the place to ourselves. All the pedestals are lit. That makes it nice. And they've got propane on site. I've used that once at a reasonable price. And again, this is a full hookup site, just absolutely spectacular. Look how level. And that's the other thing too. We pulled in, the sites are so level, I didn't have to do anything with the camper. Just pulled it in, parked it, took it off the truck, and you know, set the nose to the proper height, and we were done. They've just really done a great job keeping these sites level. And it's nice. What a great campground. Let's go in the office. I'll show you some nice things that are inside. So here's the office. There's Jeff, the owner. Hey Jeff, good morning.
Good morning.
And we've got a small little general store, just, you know, some of the basic things if you've pulled in and you need to take care of a couple items really quick. They're here. They're also really super about giving you a packet of all the things that are in the area. So, you know, just those necessary items to get you by as you're moving to the next location. Here's another treat. Let me show you this. We've got a nice game room and exercise equipment, which I definitely need to partake in, but I've been very lazy and not done it. Nice pool table. Nice, huh? You just don't usually see this when you come to campgrounds. Nice little added benefit. Let me show you this as well. Jeff has a clubhouse here. They can support group activities. And it has a full kitchen in it. It's got dining and meeting facilities that are located in it. A pavilion. Let's walk over here. So you can see a nice pavilion with a fire pit, plenty of picnic tables, lots and lots of seating for outdoor areas if you're doing something like that. A big, nice backyard over there for the kids to have, you know, some football or a little softball game going on. Very nice. He's got a large grill here that can be used. They've got a full kitchen. I do not have a key here, so I don't think I can see inside too well, but again, it holds about 50 people. Again, I can't see inside. They've got refrigerator. They've got a refrigerator, plenty of things to hook up and look at. Great place. Jeff says he does support groups when they come into the area, so this works out very nice for that. And again, that super nice pavilion, and then at the end of the campground we've got this very, very large Doggie Run. Look at that, isn't that nice? And they've put a little sitting area over there that you can take advantage of. It's big. I don't know, maybe maybe something like 40 by 60, 40 by 80, something like that. Plenty of room for the poochers to get out here and run around, stretch their legs after a long trip. Very nice. Again, this is an absolutely great campground, Cave Country RV Campground, located in Cave City, Kentucky, central Kentucky. Minutes, literally minutes. I think it was about a 15-20 minute drive over to Mammoth Cave. You're about 30 minutes from Bowling Green, which has the Corvette Museum. We're going to be going there as well. And just a great campground, full hookup, great grassy common areas, super, super level. Super nice owners. I mean, what more can you ask for? No swimming pool, but really, you're not coming here to swim in the pool in the summer or the warm spring days. You're coming here for the Great Mammoth Cave, a good 2 or 3 day event if you want to take in everything. And then don't forget, Bowling Green is about 30 minutes down the road. We're going to be going there in just a little while, and we're going to the Corvette Museum. I can't wait to see that. Both of those you'll be able to see on the site. So, Cave Country RV, super nice owners, super nice park, super, super big rig friendly. Hope you get a chance to stay here.